Thailand. So why does anybody ever want to go to Thailand in the first place? It's a terrible country. There's no culture. No history at all. And horrendous landscapes. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing special. There's absolutely nothing out of the ordinary. Nope. Nope. And the people, oh, don't get me started with the people. Those folks are savages. And the language they speak, like that weird, what was it? Yeah, that one, exactly. And what about the food, huh? It can't even be called food. Thai food is disgusting. I'm sorry, but it's just tasteless. And but not all of it. Yeah, no, not all of it. There's something actually really good, like I'm kidding. Yeah, of course I'm kidding. It's a joke. Like, come on, look at those videos. It's a magical place. Thailand is magical, indeed. But it's far from being perfect. Yeah, got to be honest. Like, there are way too many tourists. It's overcrowded, and therefore is polluted. It's really, really dirty. It's been one of the most stressful places to visit in Asia, but it helped me. It helped me a lot to process all the discomfort, to prepare myself to appreciate much more what was coming next in the trip. The truth is, I deeply miss traveling. I miss not being in Thailand anymore, and I profoundly wish I could just be able to press a button and ruin everything, to start again, go back to the beginning. I wish I could be able to go through those paths once more, to experience all the feelings, all the emotions, the excitement, everything was involved in this magical journey. Yeah, I wish I could go back, but it's not possible. It can't be done. It's just not the way it works. And the only things I got left are these memories. It's this video, for instance. And Thailand gave me everything. It gave me much more than what I was expecting from it. And if I have to give back at least a tiny fraction of what it gave me. It should be a word. Thanks. Or, as they used to say,
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Wait, it was not. No, yeah.
Happy birthday, darling.
Say life is a wonderful journey.
Yeah, life is shit.
No, life is a wonderful journey.
Come on.
Life is a wonderful journey.
Life is a wonderful journey.